The Ironman Triathlon series returned to Zurich for the 17th time in its history on Sunday, with over 2,400 competitors taking part. The incredible course showcases all the beauty of Zurich, its lake and the surrounding landscape. In hot, punishing conditions, competitors swam 2.4 miles before embarking on a 112-mile bike ride with a full marathon of 26.2 miles to finish. And despite the tough conditions, it was the two pre-race favourites who prevailed. Ronne Schildknecht of Switzerland won the men's event in 8 hours, 33 minutes and 39 seconds, whilst Anja Beranek of Germany led the women home in 9 hours, 21 minutes and 31 seconds. Spaniard Ivan Ronne and Per Bittner of Germany completed the podium places for the men, while Selina Share and Hungarian athlete Erika Kozmor were second and third, respectively, for the women.